enjoyed being at home. So what I miss at home is, I'm afraid it will never be the same again. It will never be as it was, because through development, yes, it's development, but we seem to be losing a lot of qualities, a lot of value in our culture, because, I mean, where we used to go and herd cattle, you can't do it there. You can't do it now. And it's everything, and it's electrified. It's, you know, things are changing, you know, and I think it's the change is too fast for me. But that's why I still want to maintain that. I want the next generation to stay there. I don't want this to die. Not on me, anyway. I must build, I must leave it there. I must make sure my kids can go there and still call it home. Yeah. And my mom is from Murewa, and my father is from Mount Darwin days. And how they came to meet, they met at some choir competition in Murewa. My dad had gone there in a choir, and my mom was in a different choir. That's how they came to meet. And wow. My parents used to sing at home.